This is the Shadow Cruiser 180 MBS with power stabilizer jacks, which means no cranking down. You just hold a button and it stabilizes the front and rear of the trailer. Power tongue jack, solar, spare tire. It's pre-wired for a backup camera. Huge power awning and dual axle at 22 feet 11 inches in total length and 4,500 pounds dry. Now, with a solid step going into the coach, you get a booth dinette slide, Murphy bed with full wardrobe. That doesn't happen often in a travel trailer this short. This lightweight is to get a full wardrobe inside, so that's pretty cool. The booth dinette slide is perfect when you want to have a guest that you want to sleep there or play some games, rainy day. Huge kitchen. This is perfect for anybody that loves to cook while they're going on the road. By the way, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want to be notified about future walkthrough videos, hit that notification bell. Now that's an air fryer now. It's not just an oven, it's also an air fryer. Big sink, and you're going to be pretty surprised. And even a small travel trailer with this much kitchen space, you're actually going to see a pretty big bathroom, and that's coming up here in a few minutes. I should say few seconds. Good drawer space, excellent storage throughout the inside of the trailer, 8 cubic foot propane electric refrigerator, so great for people that like to dry camp. And then of course the bathroom. Smaller than you would want, but the shower's huge and you've got just enough space on the toilet. And in the top right hand corner, there's another small travel trailer walkthrough.